Welcome to Just In Case You Don't Know, Quick Guides for Real-Life Skills. Today's episode, Digital Literacy Skills in the AI Era. Because digital literacy today means more than knowing how to use a computer, it's about thinking critically in a connected world. Skill number 1, understand your digital footprint. Everything you post, like, or share builds your online reputation. Google yourself, see what shows up. Then manage it the way you'd manage a resume. Skill number 2, recognize reliable sources. Not all information online is equal. Check the author, publication date, and cross-reference before sharing. Digital credibility equals personal credibility. Skill number 3, manage online privacy settings. Review app permissions regularly. Turn off unnecessary data sharing. You control what companies can track, if you take time to check. Skill number 4, use AI tools wisely. AI can save time, or waste it. Learn to use prompts effectively, but always verify AI outputs. Think of AI as a partner, not a brain replacement. Skill number 5, strengthen cybersecurity habits. Use strong, unique passwords. Turn on two-factor authentication. Avoid clicking unknown links. Your online safety is your responsibility. Skill number 6, learn basic data literacy. Understand how data is collected and used. Read dashboards, spot patterns, and question algorithms. This skill helps in any job, not just tech. Skill number 7, build a personal tech learning routine. Tech changes fast. Set aside 20 minutes a week to explore new tools, apps, or digital trends. Consistency beats overwhelm. Recap and final thoughts. Let's recap. 1. Manage digital footprint. 2. Verify information. 3. Control privacy settings. 4. Use AI smartly. 5. Strengthen cybersecurity. 6. Build data literacy. 7. Keep learning tech basics. Think of the digital skill you want to improve first. Like this video if this guide helped. Subscribe to the channel to always have the latest guides. Thanks for watching Just In Case You Don't Know, the channel with the guides for real-life skills.